If you are learning German, you will at some point encounter so-called Präpositionen. They link a noun to the rest of the sentence. Using an das, zudem, and so on when speaking German is of course correct, but may in some cases sound odd when talking to natives. I will show you 5 examples on using prepositions like a native. So, let's say you're on vacation. Urlaub. Der Urlaub. Der Urlaub. And you want to say you drive to the sea. Das Meer. Das Meer. You can either say, ich fahre heute an das Meer, or to sound more like a native, you will say, ich fahre heute ans Meer. You can shorten an and das to ans. Except if you mean that specific sea, not the other one, that one. Ich fahre heute an das Meer. So, what about when you go grocery shopping? Ich werde heute zu dem Supermarkt gehen. You can also shorten zu and dem to zum. Except again, if you mean that specific supermarket. Zu dem Supermarkt. Like Lidl or Aldi. Let's move on. So, imagine you meet a friend and they tell you, du siehst aber müde aus. Müde means tired. Müde. And then you say, meine Katze ist gestern auf das Dach gestiegen. Maybe you had to get her down. It's better when you use aufs Dach gestiegen. When you use auf das Dach, it emphasizes das, auf das Dach gestiegen. That specific one. And for the next one, let's imagine you meet your friends. And they will say, well, we meet in the restaurant. Wir treffen uns im Restaurant. Of course, again, saying wir treffen uns in dem Restaurant isn't uncommon or false, but then again you are talking about a specific one. So better say wir treffen uns im Restaurant. In and dem can be shortened to im. And for the last one, imagine you're in an Auto. Auto means car. Maybe a BMW or Mercedes. And someone says, what are you doing? Was machst du? And you're driving to school. You can say, ich fahre gerade zur Schule. When you say zu der Schule, you mean that one. That one you were just talking about. That's it. I hope you understood everything and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments.